Such a boring day, such a boring people. Maybe I should catch up with my friends. But wait, what will I tell my manager?
God!
Oh, I think I'll tell her that I have a fever. But wait, I have a fever or I have fever? Oh God, what should I tell her? I have a fever is correct. Forget it. I think I should just go to Planet Spark's channel on YouTube and find it out.
Let's help her out. Drop your answer in the comments. Well, actually, both can be right, depending on how you're using them. But if I talk about grammar experts, they have suggested that out of many diseases, someone had flu or cold. So, whenever you're talking about a disease or an illness, you will use a before it. So, for example, I have a cold. I'm having a headache. I'm having a toothache. I'm running a high temperature. Can I leave early today? Just like Anushka. I have a sore throat. I have an upset stomach. We use an instead of a when the next word starts with a vowel sound, like in an upset stomach. Always remember that. So, if you want to learn articles in a very basic style, you can check out my other video. It's probably the easiest way to understand articles. And you know something that I've learned recently, that my concepts of English grammar were never this strong, and I realized the problem was never the topic, it was how that topic was taught. So go ahead and check that out first. Now, coming back to today's topic. Now look at this sentence. I am going for a walk. You might think I can't count walk, so there is no need for a, right? But that's not the case. Out of so many possible activities, I decided to go on a walk. So I will use a. We are choosing one specific activity, a walk. That is why we say, I am going for a walk. I'm going for a run. I'm going for a drive. She's going for a swim. So, sometimes what we say sounds right, but we need to check the context. English is crazy sometimes. Now, if there are many activities and you or someone is doing one particular activity, we use a. Now, let's go a bit deeper. After this, you will never make a mistake with articles, I promise you. So, very casually, while talking to my friend, once I said, would you like to go for a movie? It may sound right, but out of all the activities, I decided to take you out for a movie. So we should say, would you like to go out for a movie? Now, let's talk about situations where we definitely use articles. Whenever you're talking about someone's profession or identity, we always use a or an. I'll give you examples, don't worry. She is a working professional. She is a brilliant homemaker. She is an amazing cook. She is a teacher. I am an anchor. So, tell me in the comments which profession are you in, and make sure to use the right article. We also use a or an when we are referring to any one person from a group or category. We need to call an electrician. We need to call a carpenter. She called a doctor. Now, let's stop the confusion and understand when to use the in a sentence. It's actually very simple. Whenever we are talking about the superlative form, words like best, most, tallest, fittest, greatest, we use the before them. She is the best student in the class. He is the tallest boy in the team. Now, I'll help you understand that there is one more situation where we have to use the, is whenever we are speaking about the unique objects or landmarks that are globally recognized. Yeah, I know you will feel like using a with them, like moon. 100% it is one. You agree with me? But it's the moon, as we have one single moon for all. Sky. Yes, it's too big, but it's unique and only one. So we look at the beautiful sky. Now, same theory applies to popular monuments also. The Taj Mahal, the Great Wall of China. the Statue of Liberty. Another important point. Ordinal numbers, the numbers that are in sequence, we use the with them. Let's see. She came first in the race. My birthday is on the 5th of March. This is the second time I have told you. He lives on the 3rd floor. It's my 20th class today. And even with the specific roles, we use the because there is only one such person in that particular situation. She is the head of the department. There's going to be one head of the department, right? The Prime Minister of India, the President of the United States, the principal of our school, the class teacher, the captain of the team, the head boy or the head girl, the CEO of the company, the founder of the company. So that's it for today. I hope you've gained a lot more clarity on articles. I made this in-depth video because you showed so much love to the last one. And if you want to keep learning English grammar in a fun, simple and easy way, make sure to subscribe to our channel right away. Don't wait till it's too late and regret missing out. So this is me, Tanusha Dana, signing off for now. I shall see you in the next one.